Hi everyone. So when I build website, I feel that sometimes they are too plain. So as you can see right now with AI, we can build really animate websites, or at least with some movements around. So I went in Cloud Design and I asked create for different subtle background animations with mouse interaction that I can use in sections. So as you can see here, then I created 10 of them, but so I have created those. If I move the mouse here, I can change the colors if I want to, primary, secondary. I can change the intensity, I can change the density too. And the same thing is gonna happen also to others. This one is one of my favorites. Then there is this one. We have these small dots. This one also, it's really subtle and really nice and cool. Then there is this one, is a little bit too vivid. This one as well is nice, and this one is another of my favorite. So what I have done, I use Etch to create the component for me, and here it's what it's in action. So if I add the component, which is called Ambient background, as you can see now we have this background, and right now I didn't add anything inside the section. So when I click in the component, you can see that we have all the variants that I showed you before, including you can set up the colors, and of course this works all with a CSS for token, so it's warning. The only thing that you need to be aware of here, okay, let me add text heading, is that every change that you do here in Etch, they are not straight away visible. In fact, you can see the color now is different in the front end, but if I go back here, you can see that it's blue. Or example, if I change the style, I'm gonna add the particles, I'm gonna say hello, which actually is the text by default. So you can see nothing changed here. But when I go on the front end, you will see that now we have hello with the primary color. So even if I add like, I don't know, primary indeed, which is the one that we use by default, you can see that now we have this green color. So it's really fully customized. Also, you can change the opacity, in fact, 25%. See? At least people can see really the text, but you can see still the animation on the ground. And then you can have different, you can change the density as well. So I am not sure actually if this one with particles something really change, but I am sure that if you go in flow field or even drift and you refresh the page, here you can see now opacity at 100%, and then I'm gonna use spare right now. You can see that there are just a few dots, okay? And then if I add the dance, you can see that there are more dots. So it's really cool, you can play with it, you can change whatever you like, you can add more, but I feel that 10 of variants, they are enough for many scenarios or many other type of websites. So I will show you the link in the description for the all types, and if you are happy, leave a like. Bye.